Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday. I am up, mostly ready. I have an eyelash appointment later on, so I didn't put any mascara on, so I feel like I just woke up, like my eyes look so tired. It is currently 10:26. I just took the bed sheets off the bed, threw those in the washing machine. I have to put new ones on, made myself some coffee. I have to sit down and take care of some things for Eddie, just some like whatever work stuff. And then I need to go and get him his Christmas present, which I know is so late, but we're going to be exchanging gifts tonight. We didn't really do anything too crazy this year. Because we both just got new phones, which is really expensive and ridiculously expensive, I should say. But his phone completely crashed and mine was having problems. My camera didn't work. So anyway, so that was kind of like our big purchase. So nothing too crazy, but just something I know he's been wanting or kind of needing. So I'm going to go get that. And then my appointment's at 2 o'clock. We'll see how that goes. I'm going to someone new this time. It's so hard to find someone good. Like I found someone, but it's an hour and a half away. And it just takes a lot of time to drive there an hour and a half. Plus you have to sit there for about 2-3 hours and then drive an hour and a half home. It's like the whole day is gone just to get my eyelashes done. And again, if I end up not finding anyone good, then I might have to make the trips, but I'd rather have someone here. So someone new, will try it out. And yeah, I have a bunch of other like little things to do in my to-do list. We'll see how much I get done today. It is really gloomy and rainy outside. And I just, on those kind of days, I really don't want to do much. I just feel like curling up on the couch, reading a book, watching a show or something. But I can't do that. I have a lot to do. So yeah, I'm going to start off by taking care of the things for Eddie. Let me show you this hand. I did cut off my nails. I just painted them wood polish, and I feel like my fingers are just so short and like weird after having nails for so long. And they're kind of thin, so these are already chipped. I have to fix those. It bothers me, but so yeah, it kind of feels weird, but kind of good in a way. Like I feel like I could actually like touch stuff like without my nails being in the way. I don't know. I'm in the car about to go get Eddie's gift. I'm actually going to Lowe's. He called and said he'll be getting out of work early, which I thought he'd be coming home a little bit later. And my eyelash appointment got rescheduled. So I guess it kind of works out good. So I have to run out to Lowe's. And then I think I might go to Target maybe. And look for a couple more like stocking stuffers. I have an idea what I'm going to get. Just probably like shaving cream, like things he needs to use or things he needs. But yeah, it's a little bit chilly. It's 55. I'm just waiting for the car to heat up a little bit. And it's raining, and I have this huge oversized sweater on, and I'm cozy. So yeah, let's go shopping. Oh my goodness, it is pouring outside. I'm soaking wet. Probably not the best time to go shopping, but it has to get done. So I'll show you when I get home what I ended up getting. But I'm about to go to Target. Hopefully it stops raining a little bit, because this is crazy. I'm back home from the store and actually stopped by and met Eddie for lunch. So I just got home. I need to wrap his gifts before he comes home. He had to run a couple more errands, then he'll be coming home. I quickly wanted to show you, so I went to Lowe's and Target and PetSmart. I had to get Mia some food, but I wanted to show you what I got at Target. So in the Target dollar spot, I got this pot. It obviously came without the plant. I actually got this plant at Lowe's, which is almost perfect, except I don't know if I'm going to put this plant in here. I actually got this plant to put in my bathroom. I have those 2 glass shelves, and I want something that'll hang down, so I think I'm going to put that in the bathroom. But I stuck it in this pot so it doesn't tip over. So I actually got the plant before I got this pot, so that was perfect. I believe this was $3 actually, which is a great price. They also have these in, I think it was like a gray or all black. I could be wrong. I don't remember. Sorry. Then I've been really wanting to try these Kodiak cakes. It's like a waffle mix. And this flavor is buttermilk and honey. So hopefully those will be good. And then for Eddie, one of his Christmas gifts, he's been needing like a trimmer. This side's probably better. Sorry, it has raindrops on it. So I got this one. He's the type who won't spend money on himself. And I know he's been needing one. And he was looking at some, I think, in TJ Maxx or Ross the other day. They were $20 in their battery, but he wanted one that has like a charger as well, because the battery kind of dies fast. So I think these are cordless, but they also has like a charger you could actually charge it on. I got him some shaving cream to go on his stocking stuffer. And then I got him a like a vacuum, like a kind of like a shop vac type of thing from Lowe's, like a DeWalt one. He's been wanting one too. And actually, when we were at lunch, we were kind of joking around, and he was like, "Oh, did you get me the vacuum?" And I was like, "No." I was like, "Oh my goodness," he totally just guessed it, but whatever. Either way, he needs it, so hopefully he'll be excited about that. And again, he's the type who won't buy stuff for himself unless he really needs it. And that was one of the things. He already has like a vacuum to take to work, or like a shop vac he takes to like clean up after jobs or whatever. But that one's a lot bigger. And this one's a little bit more smaller, more compact, and it's easier to carry around, and it doesn't take up as much room. So he's really kind of been needing that. So hopefully he'll be excited about that. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it. And I was hoping I would have like even a bigger box to put it in so he doesn't guess it right away, but I don't think I have one anywhere. I did have one, I just threw it out yesterday, but whatever. It's fine. So I'm going to wrap that up, wrap up the trimmer, and then the shaving cream. I'm still gonna put wrapping paper in it and put it in his stocking. This way it'll still kind of be exciting to take it out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that before he gets home. Can I open this?
Yeah.
Okay. Is this a bar of soap?
No. Like that, like you. Demons, you mom? No. No.
Oh, that's me. That would be. Jeez. Enough tape?
It's a brick of gold.
I'm gonna cry. Is it really? It's not that funny.
Oh,
that smells really good.
is this a helmet for my derp?
What? You already got one. I told you yours was ugly, so I got you a new one.
Oh, thank you, Wendy.
You guessed it.
I was gonna say, is this the vacuum?
When we were eating lunch, I was like, oh, why did you say that?
Where'd you get this?
From Decor. I mean, Lowe's. So it is the next day. Yesterday, I never really finished vlogging. We just opened up our gifts and we had somewhere to go and we got home super late. It is around like 1 o'clock right now. I've just kind of been feeling blah. I need to take down my Christmas decorations today. But right now, I'm actually gonna go to the nursery or garden center, and I need some more potting soil. I was just repotting some of my plants and just kind of figuring that out. So I need some more potting soil, so I think Eddie's gonna come with me. It's kind of nice and sunny out. Finally not raining. It's been raining like basically all week. So it's been nice to have some sunshine. Oh, there's this line. My window's open. Just finished up at the greenhouse. Last time we came it was closed, so I'm glad it was open. Got some bags of soil. Man, this window's like, there we go. Like that, seeing that right there makes me so happy. And walking through the greenhouse and smelling all the flowers and plants. So yeah, now I think we're gonna stop by and get some food and then head home. So it has been a few hours since we got home. I don't know what's going on with my hair. But I've just been repotting some plants and helped Eddie outside. He needed some help. And it's been taking a little while, but we're getting there. It's like once I start, it's like a chain reaction. I'm like, oh, how about this one? How about this one? I just want to get them all done at the same time. So I'm just hopefully kind of finishing up. I'm repotting my orchid because this pot is way too small. The roots need to go a little bit lower. So I'm going to put it in this big one right over here, this white one. So that's my mess. Usually when it's warm outside, I would do this outside. But it's a little bit chilly, so I made a mess in the kitchen. But that's okay. It's just dirt. Oh, I'll show you the new plant I got. I kind of started taking off my Christmas decorations out here. Took the garland off. Sorry, it's kind of dark. But that is my new plant I got for the sunroom. I wanted something that was hanging. I had one, but when I had Eddie hold it up, it looked so tiny and dinky over here. So I got this one. It's really pretty. I have to get rid of that rug over there. Don't mind that, but yeah, I like it. But I think for the rest of the evening, I'm just going to finish up my plants and then clean up the living room because it's a mess from last night. And yeah, probably just relax at home, finish cleaning up and have the house nice and clean for tomorrow. This is what my house looks like right now. It's a disaster. As you can see, I took off all the ornaments off the tree. Just have to take the bow off. Like I said before, basically all of my lights stopped working. I don't know why, but whatever. And here are all the ornaments. I just have to put them away. Eddie just helped me take down all of the bins from the attic. And I'm just going to work on putting all of the Christmas decorations away, hopefully. And I have the Valentine's Day boxes down. Not sure if I'll do that today, but at least the Christmas stuff will get put away. I am all done putting away the Christmas decorations. It is 12 something right now. I did take some breaks in between to blow my nose. Feeling kind of sick, so I don't really have that much energy, but it's all put away. I put out, like I took out some of the Valentine's Day decorations. The tree is all gone. We have to move the couches back, but I still have to wash the floors. That one's gone. The one in the office is gone. And I'll show you the sunroom. Can you see anything? Sorry, it's dark, but it's gone too. But yeah, it feels so good to have all of it done. The house is still a mess though. Like, I didn't like really clean it. But as long as the decorations are put away, I think we're going to go to sleep because it is 12:09 and we have church tomorrow. So maybe tomorrow afternoon or in the evening, I'll clean up the house a little bit better. I usually like to get all my cleaning done before Sunday. I try not to do any of that on Sunday, but it is what it is. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'll combine it with yesterday's because I don't think I got that much footage yesterday. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all next time.